I got this question from a lot of people that they have completed 500 grams, but they are unable to withdraw money and still got the message not enough grams. Today I am going to explain the logic behind this theory. Hello friends, welcome back to Entrepreneurs Hubs. Today we are going to answer the most asked question in the comments, and that is that we have completed the withdrawal threshold of 500 grams, but we are not able to withdraw money and got the message not enough grams. So to understand the theory behind this, let's go to the dashboard of Gramfree. Here you can see that you have gained 500, but still you are not able to withdraw this. Now let's move into the withdrawal tab. Brand here you will see available balance and pending balance. This is the breakdown of the total grams you see on your dashboard, and to make a withdrawal, you need to have 500 grams in your available balance, then you can apply for a withdrawal. Now the second question comes. What is pending balance and how can we move this into available balance? When you share your referral link and someone signed on your referral link, then you got 5 grams, but that 5 grams are in the pending balance, and they move to the available balance once your referral reaches the second level on Gramfree. Similarly, you take smart contacts and you confirm them daily, but the amount for taking and confirming a smart contract goes directly to the pending balance, and after 5 days of confirmation when you sign the smart contract, then its pending grams goes to your available balance. So, I hope you are clear now about this why you are not able to make a withdrawal. Also, I am near to completing my withdrawal limit and will also update you about my withdrawal success or failure, so don't forget to subscribe us for future updates. So this is how it works, and if you have any questions about Gramfree you can ask them in the comments, and do subscribe to us by pressing the red subscribe button present below the video, and enable the notifications by pressing the bell button so you don't miss any of our future updates. So, I hope you are clear now about this why you are not able to make a withdrawal. Also, I am near to completing my withdrawal limit and will also update you about my withdrawal success or failure, so don't forget to subscribe us for future updates.